Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to make a okra turned cornmeal with fried fish. And I'm going to serve that with a side of ripe fried plantain. I'm showing you guys how to cut the okra. I already cut a portion I'm showing you guys just now. You just slice it finely, guys. So we have small pieces. Let's get down to business, guys. Here we have the ingredients. Here we have 2 cups of cornmeal. Next to that we have a cup of okra. And here we have a mixture of onion, bell pepper and garlic. A tablespoon of oil, salt, and I had a little sugar to mine. Saute the vegetable, guys. Here I had a tablespoon of oil. I had my onion mixture. I'm going to saute that. Then I'm going to add the okra and saute that for 2 minutes. Sauteing the okra and the vegetables, guys. We're going to add our cornmeal. We're going to add that in 3 sections, and we're going to add water in between. For adding the water and cornmeal in small portion, guys, so it doesn't end up with lumps. And guys, remember we have to continue stir, okay? Stir as we go. Guys, I had a tablespoon of butter and I'm going to stir that in until we get a nice shiny texture. Now we are preparing the fish, guys. Here I have 4 slices of fish. I'm going to season that with black pepper, salt and fish seasoning. We're going to season both sides. Along, guys, here we have a pan over medium flame. We're going to pour a cup and a half of oil and allow that to hot so we can start frying our fish. Sides until golden brown, then remove from oil and repeat the step for the others. Now that we have finished frying our fish, guys, we're going to pour out the majority of the oil so we can go on to sauteing our vegetables for our fish sauce. The vegetables that I'm using, guys, are onion, bell pepper, tomato, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. And we're going to saute that with 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, vinegar, and water. And we're going to simmer that and allow it to thicken. Then we can enjoy. Is our final dish. Serve with a side of fried plantain. Hope you guys try this recipe. And guys, thanks you so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.